And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Well, Andrew, we got some rumbles of thunder and, sprinkle of showers here and there, but certainly not planning on seeing any water spouts today.
No. The air at the surface is very stable. These are all elevated thunderstorms, so don't have to worry about tornadoes for us today. But we do have occasional lightning strikes with this activity, so make sure you're inside if you can hear thunder or see lightning. The strongest activity right now is in southern Smith County over by the White House area. There's been some reports of some pea-sized hail over in the Oakhurst area, but other than that, this is mostly just heavy rain and occasional lightning strikes. The lightning count, though, has gone down a little bit with this storm, but right now the heaviest of the rain and the potential for that small hail is about to move into the White House area. So if you're traveling down Highway 110 there towards Troop from White House, you may have to dodge some heavier rain and some pea-sized hail as these storms move on through. Pea-sized hail generally will not do damage to a car vehicle unless you're going about 70-75 miles per hour. So just take it easy on the roads if you are driving through some of that hail. But again, there's been about 3 to 10 lightning strikes overall within the past hour or so with this little cell that is moving on through. And we'll continue to see a chance for some isolated showers as we head throughout the day today. And at this point, it looks like there's enough upper level instability to allow for occasional thunder as well. That would be an exception to the norm today. Now, taking a look at Longview with our Skyview camera brought to you by the Monsoor Law Firm. We're seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies, temperature 66 degrees, south-southwest wind at 13 miles per hour, the dew point at 56. So there's that stable air at the surface, not a lot of moisture in the ground levels. So some of the rain also and some of the weaker showers not even making it to the ground. High temperatures today look to climb mainly into the middle 70s. Probably won't get as warm as what these numbers say at this point now due to the extra cloud cover and the storms moving on in, but areas that see sunshine like the Interstate 30 corridor should be easily able to get into the upper 70s this afternoon. Normal high temperature is 77 degrees. We'll be climbing well above that for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then a cold front moves in Friday, which brings a significant drop in the temperatures Saturday and Sunday. Look at that, highs only in the upper 60s both weekend days, so certainly not freezing cold, but definitely a lot cooler as we head into the weekend. Before that, though, we do have that severe weather risk to deal with. This is for the day on Thursday. Again, despite the storms today, we're not expecting severe weather, but again, on Thursday, we have a better chance of severe thunderstorms. Most of the area underneath that level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And then on Friday, the threat moves further south into deep East Texas, where we have a risk of scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. This would eventually translate into the slight risk by the day 3 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Either way, stay weather aware Thursday and Friday. Wind and hail, the primary concerns here, although a tornado cannot be entirely ruled out, especially on Thursday. Now for today, we will see those isolated thunder showers out there with high temperatures in the upper 70s. If you see some sunshine, if you see a lot more cloud cover, you'll probably only climb to the mid 70s this afternoon. For tonight, it's partly cloudy, mild. Temperatures drop down to the lower 60s with a south wind continuing at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast now. Again, isolated showers today and tomorrow, and then a better chance of thunderstorms Thursday and Friday. We'll have to watch for severe weather, and then we're cool and dry for the weekend. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same severe weather threat for the day on Thursday and Friday, so make sure to stay weather aware. Keep up to date with the latest forecast. For that latest forecast, go to our website. That is KETK.com.